We're going to do my first unboxing video. This is the Mavic Air. It should be, yes, we can see there, it is the red one, which is in slightly higher demand. All right, let's get to it. Now this is the Fly More combo package, so it should be 2 extra batteries in this one, and like a charger and carrying case. Okay, there we go. All right, let's take a look. First off, comes with free gel silica, which is save that for later. Okay, here we go. It looks like this should be, this is the travel case. All right, travel case. We have what looks like to be maybe the drone case there. And let's see, this would be some of the other accessories. Let's open this, let's open this first. I think this should be the drone. Oh yeah, there it is. Red Mavic Air. Ooh. Look at that. Let's see, how do we unfold this bad boy? These arms come out. Alright, and these guys I think go down. If I recall, there we go. Alright, Mavic Air. Set right there. Now let's see what's in this pack. This is the travel pack that comes with the Mavic Air Fly More combo. Okay, oh, that's pretty nice. So inside you can see that there's room for the small RC. And what do we have in here? Hope you appreciate the background music. That is the music at our school that lets us know that lunch is almost over. Okay, in here, looks like we have our extra props. Yeah, we have extra props. USB-C cable, I guess that's for the charger. And a bunch of different, these are the joysticks. And it looks like a USB-C converter inside there. And these are all the different cables for connecting your drone to your RC. So there should be an Apple Lightning cable in there, a USB-C cable, and a standard USB cable. And this is interesting. This is the this changes your battery into a power bank. So you can use your battery as a portable power bank. I'm not really sure what people would use that for, but maybe if you've got to charge your RC out in the field, this might be good. Although I think you'd be wasting a battery. Alright, we take a look back into the travel bag, and inside the travel bag we have, let's see, there is the, I think this is the 4, the 4-in-1 battery charger. That's nice. Look at that, it folds down and just, closes up really nice and tight. It seems like DJI has done a really good job at making everything fit into a small pack this time around. All right, we have 1, 2, and then let's see, there's the charger. Now this is the Hong Kong version plug. Okay, and that's pretty much it. But you can see this thing doesn't really have any spare space. You can only, it looks like you can put maybe 3 batteries in there total, and then I guess 1 battery in the quad itself. So I guess you can travel with about 4 batteries in this case. But as you can see, it's got a side pocket here. A little zipper side pocket here. Let's see if there's anything inside that. I don't think so. A little bit of extra storage there. I think what I like the best about this pack is that it really doesn't have a lot of extra space, meaning that you really are just saving space by putting everything in here. it looks like it'll fit really nicely into a backpack, or even just taking it on its own. It's got this shoulder strap that you can use to carry it with you. And also, I think what's nice is that with this pack, and you're walking around outside, people aren't going to know right away that you're going to fly your drone. The other DJI the other DJI Phantom 4 that I had a bag that said DJI all over the back, so when you were traveling, people knew exactly what you were carrying. This looks like it's just a camera case, so that's kind of nice, a little bit more discreet. And that's it. Oh, is there more in here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What else is in here then?
Yeah, inside here.
Inside here, there's a little bit more? Oh yeah, okay.
Inside.
Okay. Thanks, Jackie. Oh yeah, okay. Inside here, then of course we've got your prop guards and instruction manuals, and in here we have. Open that. How do we open this guy? Oh, okay. In here, no, this is just empty. There's nothing in that. I think it's just, yeah, that was just a placeholder. So, yeah, there you have it. That is the fire red DJI Mavic Air. Just fresh out of the factory, just arrived today. Very excited to try and fly it, but of course, today in Hong Kong it is too cold and rainy, so it's going to have to wait a few days. But looking forward to charging the battery and throwing it up in the air. Okay, that's my first unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed this first look, well, one of the first looks at the red Mavic Air.